Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginner's Recipe Guide. Today my topic is operation modes. So let's start with the video. So before I start with the topic, there are a few definitions you should know. I'm not going to read all this stuff because it will be wastage of time for both of us. So you can go through the slides because it's a video, so you can pause the video and go through it as per your requirement. So first is the database server, second will be application server, third is instance. As a brief, what is an instance? An instance refers to an installation of SAP application on a server. We can distinguish between a central instance and a direct instances. The central instance, which contains the database, exists only once in a system environment, and the direct instances are application servers. Any system environment may have several direct instances. More than one instance may be installed on a physical server. So go through all these definitions before you go ahead. It's a continuation of that part. So what is system, what is client? I have already been discussed about it in my previous video. I'm not going to discuss again. So these are my slides. You can pause the video and go through it. Now come to the concept of operation modes. What is it? The demands of users on SAP system may vary during course of the day. During the day, a large number of dialog users who want to be served with high performance by the system are working. Therefore, a large number of dialog workplaces should be available for the users during the day, and during the night, however, only a small number of the dialog workplaces are used. The system can be used to a large extent to process the background jobs. Let's move ahead. These are some parameters for the operation modes. For dialog, it is rdisk wp_no_dia. Probably you know all this. Then batch jobs, it's for rdisk wpno btc, nq wpno nq, then vv for update, and spool for spo. Rdisk masks wp run time sets the limit on the amount of time a process can run without user intervention. This is the operation mode setting. Daytime, where we create the operation mode, then set up the distribution of the work process using the instance definition, then adjust the distribution of work processes, and then finally define the time plan. So these are four modes: nighttime, all this stuff, and daytime, all this stuff. Move ahead. These are some constants. The gist of how you change the work process numbers through the operation modes. In dialog, only indirectly changeable. That means in dialog work process, whatever the work process number will be there in the operation mode, when you will come to the practical, you'll get to know you cannot change it directly. It will be changed indirectly way. That means if I change the background work process number by pressing the plus sign to increase and minus sign to decrease, along with the update 2, nq, and spool, it will change automatically. That means dialog work process, it will be automatically change the number. At the same time, we cannot change the spool work process number. It will be fixed. So accordingly, we will change this to, when we change all this, automatically these two will be changed accordingly. Next, these are the administration time of operation mode. One is dialog work processing when the daytime is happening, and for background processing when night time is happening. It's a continuation of that particular slide. The T code we use for that is RZ04, where we create the instance definition. At the same time, we create the operation modes. So when we'll do the practical session and make the video of it, you'll get to know. These are some example how we do. This is the operation mode, daytime, and again nighttime. Dialog background is the instance 1, we have changed the number accordingly. At the same time, for instance 2, we have changed the number accordingly. Let's move ahead. Now there is one more thing important is profile parameter. As we know that we have three profiles, that is start profile, default profile, initial profile. So accordingly we change the profile through while we change the operation mode. And how to profile parameter is being maintained. This is the file directory in the OS level. This is the USR, SAP, SID, then sys, then profiles. Here we maintain the profile parameter of SAP. Now it can only be changed how? With RZ10. This is the system profile T code. Through this we can change the profile parameters. So as I said, when we make the video of it in a practical manner, it will get to know, because through definition it will be not easy to describe you all. So that's all for today, friends. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for your love and support. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and please do comment, and definitely don't forget to press the bell button, so that whenever I put a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it. So thank you so much. We'll meet with you with another video. Thank you.